How are you, children? Today we will do Unit 1 of our English grammar book, that is the sentence. Let's learn about the sentences today. Children, before learning about the sentences, first we will learn about the words. We all know that A, G, M, O, E, and S are some of the letters in the English alphabets. When we group these letters, they form words. Now find out what we can make out of these words. Mangoes. We can make mangoes with the help of these words. Now look at two more examples. C, N, H, L, I, D, E, R. Find out what word we can make with these letters. Children. We make children with these letters. Look at one more example. O, E, L, V. What word we can make with these letters? Love. We can make love with these letters. So children, these are words. Many such words when grouped together, then they make sentence. इन वर्ड्स को जब हम एक साथ ग्रुप करते हैं, एक साथ जोड़ते हैं, तो ये सेंटेंस फॉर्म करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी which sentence we can make with these words. We make children love mangoes. Children love mangoes. Now children, open your book, page number 5, question number A. Look at the pictures and then read these groups of words. First, is girl a good Mary? Here are some words, but these words are not properly arranged, so it is not a sentence. Now what sentence we can make out of it? Mary is a good girl. Mary is a good girl. Now this is a correct sentence. Second, old 5 years is she. This is also not a sentence. So what sentence we can make out of it? She is 5 years old. She is 5 years old. This is a correct sentence. Third, brother 1 has she. It is also not a sentence because words are not properly arranged. Now what sentence we can make out of it? She has one brother. She has one brother. This is correct sentence. Fourth, doll plays with her she. Is this words make any sense? No. These words not make any sense. So what sentence we can make out of it? She plays with her doll. वो अपनी डॉल के साथ खेलती है. She plays with her doll. Fifth, an ice cream loves she to eat. Do these group of words make any sense? No, they do not make any sense. So what sentence we can make out of it? She loves to eat ice cream. So children, now you know about the sentences. If the words are properly arranged in a manner, then they will make a sentence. Again I am repeating, if the words are arranged in a proper manner, then they will make a sentence. Okay, so what is the definition of sentences? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete सेंस. सेंटेंस वर्ड्स का एक ग्रुप होता है जो कि एक कंप्लीट सेंस देता है. अ सेंटेंस इज ऑलवेज बिगिन विद द कैपिटल लेटर and always ends with the full stop. Remember that a sentence is always begin with a capital letter and always end with a full stop. If any of the sentence is not begin with the capital letter, if it is begin with a small letter, then it is wrong. So sentences always begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now children, we will do exercise 1, page number 6. Arrange these words so that they make sentences. Do not add any new words. The first one has been done for you. Remember to add capital letters and full stops, because sentences always begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So it is important to remember to add capital letters and full stop. First, a fruit and apple is. So correct sentence is an apple is a fruit. An apple is a fruit. Second, cocks crow morning in the. Answer is cocks crow in the morning. Cocks crow in the morning. Third, thieves catches the policeman. This is not sentence. So answer is policeman catches the thieves. Policeman catches the thieves. Fourth, nest built in trees birds. This is not sentence. So what sentence we can make out of it? Birds builds nest in trees. Birds build nest in trees. Fifth, fly birds can fast very. So what sentence we can make? Birds can fly very fast. Birds can fly very fast. Sixth, a breast has the red robin. This is not sentence. So what sentence we can make? The robin has a red breast. The robin has a red breast. Seventh, in boys are flying past there the kites. This is not sentence. So what sentence we can make? Boys are flying their kites in the park. Again I am repeating. Boys are flying their kites in the park. Eighth, on days fine blue is the sky. So what sentence we can make? On blue days the sky is fine. On blue days the sky is fine. Ninth, a strong elephant is an animal very. It is not a sentence. So what sentence we can make out of it? An elephant is a very strong animal. An elephant is a very strong animal. Now 10th, trees are there in the house front of. This is not a sentence. So what sentence we can make out of it? There are trees in the front of house. There are trees in the front of house. Now children, we will do exercise 2, page number 7. Look at the sentences given below. The students forgot the rules about sentences. Find the sentences. There are 10 of them. Put each sentence in the space given below. One is done for you. Write them using capital letters and full stops. Children, you know, a sentence is always begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So in this question, here are some sentences are given to you in this paragraph. You have to write these sentences in the space given below, and please don't forget to write capital letters and full stops. First, Sunday is the last day of the week. Sunday is the last day of the week. Second, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Third, 24 hours makes a day. 24 hours makes a day. Fourth, a year has 12 months. A year has 12 months. Fifth, February is the shortest month of the year. February is the shortest month of the year. Sixth, June is the hottest month of the year. June is the hottest month of the year. Seventh, there are 365 days in a year. There are 365 days in a year. Eighth, my favorite months are October and December. My favorite months are October and December. Ninth, we have many festivals in these months. We have many festivals in these months. Children love these festivals. 10th, children love these festivals. Now children, fill exercise 1 and exercise 2 in your grammar textbook and write definition of sentence in your grammar notebook. Write definition 2 times in your grammar notebook. Now children, let's quickly recap what we have learned.